you don't permit it. What kind of dopey business? Hello.
Wanna play a game? What's your favorite game?
Who this I come with blood clot house? Yo, nobody me man. Sure. Idiot people. But we not even watch scary movie. Drink me send me. Hello. Yo,
said,
listen me man.
What's your
You call back me
favorite
once again,
movie?
me. Yo. So what?
Okay, fine. You'll just have to decide.
Oh, what one me find you? You think I'm not gonna find you?
Okay,
Pussy.
fine.
I'm gonna find people, I'm gonna shot them, you know. Yo, pussy, what one me find you? You're dead.
You'll never find me.
Tell this I'm gonna find you, pussy, well.
Wow, it sure is nice out here.
Man, it's nice still. Remind me of Jamaica.
I like Jamaica. Can I come with you one day?
Maybe.
No, I think we should go. Look at all the nice birds.
So,
Wait, do you hear that?
no, I don't hear nothing. So, may I get some pum pum later?
Sure. Well, I mean, if there is anything out here, you'll protect me, right?
Yeah.
Because you have such big muscles and all those nice...
Don't call me pussy wall girl! Bumba clap me that! Yo! Me not come again no more! What the fuck? I'm liking new hair, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, you look nice.
Thanks. Hold on.
What?
You don't hear that?
No, I'm not hearing nothing.
You sure?
Yeah, you good, we good.
No. No, for real though.
What?
You don't hear that?
The only thing me hear is my heart. I beat for you.
Alright.
Hold on. Alright. Listen, Mr. Killer Man. Let me talk to you for a second. Come back, we talk, no? We're good. Alright, come back, we talk, no? Let me talk to you. So, easy man. Alright. So, me know say, you come here for the girl, right? You don't come here for kill me, right? Right, exactly. So, why we have to fight for, eh? You want the girl, I don't really like her. You just want the papers. That's all I didn't want, right? We're good, babe. You're good. Good. Right? So you know, can make a deal? Can do something? You know, Mr. Killer Man, you're funny thing. My heartbeat never stop. You, come here. Hey, girl. You have a permit for all of this?
For what?
For all of this?
This?
No. All this pum pum you show up on the street. Yeah.